Let's fold this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. And then we will make 2 marks. First, make a half fold and find the halfway mark, and then take the bottom edge and line the edge with the mark we just made, and then make the 1/4 mark. Okay, after that we will keep the open edge on the top and fold from the corner to the 1/4 mark we just made. Okay, next open it and press the crease down. Flip it over and fold along the crease. Okay, we should get it like this. Next, we will fold the corner into the pocket as it is wider than the pocket. So first we will fold the top point to the pocket and leave a little room here. Fold like this, flip it over and fold the other side. Just to match it. Okay. Next, open the layer. We can see the pocket inside. We'll fold around the pocket, just narrower than pocket, so we can tuck the layers into the pocket. Hold all layers and put into the pocket like this. Okay, next we will flatten layers and just put the corner on the crease and flatten the layers. Okay, flip it over and do the same things on the other side, and open the layer and we will fold around the pocket. Okay, after that hold all layers and tuck layers into the pocket. After that, we also put the corner on the edge and flatten the layers. Okay, we should get it like this. Next, we will fold the wings from the corner to this corner. Fold the other side. Okay. Next, unfold it like this, and then make a squash fold Okay, flip it over, and we can see two intersection points. We'll take the triangle and fold along the 2 points. Okay, and then make half fold. Next, we will fold the wings. Here we'll start from a point about 2 or 3 millimeters shorter than the edge of the triangle. About from here. And keep all the layers in a line. And fold the other side. Okay. Next, we will fold the winglet and keep the crease parallel to the center crease. Also, fold the other side and keep the crease parallel to the center crease. Okay, now the plane almost ready, and next we will bend the wings like this. And make the elevator upward. You can try more and make it fly well. Adjust the wings and the winglet. You can refer to the beginning of the video. Okay, the plane is ready. Thank you. See you next time.